I think the core values that we should have is of giving of yourself to make someone else better. My name is Tommy Barnes. I'm a county commissioner in Calvert County, Alabama. And so the message of America needs to get back to giving, in which we saw so much of today, giving and loving and taking care of one another. Such talented people. It's really, in my opinion, a great international effort to come together for a purpose of creating unity and creating a facility in which many people will enjoy. The tour guides were just phenomenal. The explanation, and these were all volunteers. These were people that care about the community, care about their faith, care about other people. The messages that were heard today by Mahatswami was unity, love, humility, things that we can all grow from. It was just an honor to be in the presence of him. Just the nature of respect, love, honor. I mean, I was treated so well by so many people in my experience here, and that's really the reason I came, because the kindness of the Hindu faith, and I'll never forget this day.